Hi, welcome to SS Creation. Good evening, all. Now we are going to see defense related news, technology, and stock market related updates. If you still not subscribed to the channel, do hit on the subscribe button. If you like the video, do hit on the like and do share it to your friends if you find the video very useful. First, we will have a look at the defense news. Tejas production has been delayed due to this particular lockdown in HAL, and they have resumed the production now, but still there will be some kind of a delay in the Tejas production. And yesterday they have also given an update in the late evening that they might do two shift production, or they will ramp up the production by extending the shifts. They will try to meet up with the timeline which they have provided. And today they have also given an update. Tejas Mark II version, where the metal cutting has already started in the February. It might get delayed due to some components which is getting imported from the other countries. So this might get delayed and it can go till 2023. There is another very interesting news today released by Sukhoi, Russian fighter jet manufacturing company. And similar kind of a news update has come from Chinese aircraft manufacturer as well, wherein both these players are planning to make a twin seat fighter jet on their Sukhoi 57E and the J-20. What they are thinking is this will particularly reduce the pilot's tension during the warfare, because and also they have specified a line very clearly, Russians, though the pilot is not experienced, or if he is not having that complete capability to handle the entire stuff, the twin seat engine will help them with the second pilot who can take care of the ground targets as well as electronic warfare, wherein fifth 5.5 generation aircraft AMCA, which is under design, is still going to come up with a single seat. There are two things in this. We can take it in a positive way. Our pilots have superior air capability, or on the other hand, there can be also a lag in the thought process, which is actually true. We do not know until the live situation comes. And finally, India has keeping on ramping up the border road organization, and they have almost completed 1200 kilometers of road formation work and 2850 kilometer of surfacing work over the last 1 year. These activities have been completed, and if you see specifically this 1200 kilometer, it mostly covers the northern borders from Jammu to Arunachal Pradesh. That entire strip which we were lagging too much with respect to the Chinese, India is starting to narrow that particular gap. Whether we have narrowed that gap, no. Chinese is still far ahead of us with respect to the infrastructure, but India is fastly or rapidly narrowing that particular gap. Already our army is so superior when it is compared with the Chinese army. With all these infrastructures in place, our army could easily dealt with China and Pakistan on the both fronts. Now we will go into the technology company related news. Today, Wipro has announced the salary hike for 80% of its employees. The rest of the 20% of them who are sitting in seat or who are newly joined, so those people don't get this particular salary hike, but wherein the 80% of the people who are directly employed with Wipro, they are getting the salary hike. After a long fight between Indian government and Twitter appoints interim chief compliance officer today. And there was also a discussion between Twitter and the government today regarding the compliance activities as well as the requirements which Indian government requires from Twitter. And today EU antitrust regulators to open probe on Google because they identified there is some manipulation with respect to the ad business in this particular year. Google has made a huge profit by showing the ads, and if you see 60% of the revenue that comes from their own products, that has brought the government under the particular focus. They are only projecting their own products in priority to everyone. Finally, the last technology news for today is good news for the PUBG players. The Battleground India is finally out in India. Early registration has started yesterday, and today it has been open for everyone. There are three important corona updates which I would like to share. The Delta variant represents almost 90% of Moscow's new coronavirus case. Russia is exporting Sputnik V to every country. Now, in the last week, they were surging 45% of a hike than the usual corona case that used to report in the Moscow. But if we see to now, it has escalated too much, and they have also categorized and checked each and every one to find out what variant is spreading very fast. It is the new Delta variant which is spreading more. This is not only in Russia. This Delta variant has also impacted UK very badly. There is a jump of 33,600 cases this week in UK, and if you see, all are Delta variant case. So scientists and others feel this could be the beginning of the third wave across the globe. This new variant can spread faster than any other variant which was identified till now. And another news is now this coronavirus is not only affecting the human being, it is also affecting the animals. One of the lion which is hit badly with the coronavirus, and that particular lion is from the Sri Lanka's main zoo. So now Sri Lankan government has asked the help of India to treat this particular lion and make it survive, because it is out of their hand to help this particular lion. Finally, we will come to the stock market updates. If you see, yesterday we have given a very clear view. All options are being sold more than the put options. If you see the reaction of market today, the stock market has crashed in the morning and it has recovered back in the evening, like just a V-shape recovery. We will see why this recovery has happened, but before that, we will see yesterday's view and what was the profit that we could have obtained today. Nifty has broken 656 in the morning, was the gap up open, and Nifty has made a low of 15,465 points, which is approximately 191 points, and anyone who traded in Nifty could have easily booked approximately 14,000 rupees. When we compare Bank Nifty also went on the bearish side post the gap up opening, and it has given 608 points and a profit, which is approximately 15,200 rupees. And if we see the stock view, JSW Steel and LIC both has broken the bearish side, and they have given a profit of around 30 points and 10 points respectively. Even if you would have traded in 200 stocks, approximately 6,000 and 2,000 rupees would have been your profit. Overall, approximately in stock market, if you would have traded based on our view, you could have made a profit of 37,000 rupees. Okay, now we will see why the market has fallen drastically today. The market has hit the currency depreciation yesterday. Yesterday we found INR to US dollars currency, it has hit 74 rupees per dollar. And today morning it has opened 74.25 rupees. So people thought money is moving out of the stock market to the US. So everyone started to short the market. That is why market fell drastically. This is not the normal market fall. This is based on the people's assumption, and this is based on people's fear factor, and that is why the market has crashed today in the morning. But if you see, the market has recovered V-shape post that huge fall. The FIIs and DIIs will always book profit when they feel the market is on the upper cap. That doesn't mean the FII and DII are going to keep on selling in the market. Yesterday also we have seen FIIs have been keeping on selling in the market for the past 2 days. That doesn't mean FIIs are completely going to withdraw the money from the market and they are going to shift to the US market. No, that is not the case. They will always book profit when they feel the topmost cap is achieved, and there will be a correction. Post correction, they will again invest the money into the market. This is exactly what happened in today's market. When the market crashed, FIIs and DIIs started to pump money into the market, and now they have taken the lower positions. Like when the market fell around 200 points, people like FIIs and DIIs pumped the profit booking into the market, and that is why the market had the V-shaped recovery. We will see that in the next slide. If you see here, the FIIs have bought around 2,680 crore rupees today, and similarly DIIs have bought for 500 crore rupees. This is what I told in the previous slide. Whenever there is a market fall, or whenever the people feel that the market has attained the top position, they will keep booking the profit. That is a normal profit booking, and they will reinvest in the value stocks, which they feel the value is still there. They will start to invest back into that particular shares. This is a normal correction until the market goes beyond 15-16 percentage of correction. It is not the market reversal. The market will actually reverse only when the particular 10% to 15% range is broken. Until then, there is no bearish view. This is a normal profit booking which has happened. Post that, when today they observed the crash in the market, they started to pump their money back into the stocks which they feel has a value for money in investing. And friends, one important thing is, whatever news that you hear in the market is not the news, it is the noise that is in the stock market. By the time the retail investors get to hear the news, the price factor would have already factored into the stock market. Because of that particular news, you cannot make any profit in the stock market. Please underline this word. What you and me are hearing in market is noise, not the news of the stock market. Before you hear that news, the people with money, that is FIIs and DIIs, will obviously know what is happening in that particular stock or what is happening in the market, and they would have already factored that price into the market. So based on the particular noise, you and me cannot book any profit whatsoever. What you and me have to do is learn statistics, what candles and price action tell us, how to move with the direction of the market. If we only follow this, we can make money. If you see, 4 days back, we have given a view in the stock market stating the market will be playing this week within the range of 15,600 to 16,000. This was the range that I gave last weekend. And if you see how where the market end today, though there was a huge fall in the market and the market has hit 15,465, market reversed back and closed 15,727, which is much above 15,600. So did the view match? So the market played within the range of 15,600 to 16,000 the entire week, because that is where the option sellers or the people with money has put their money in. So that range could not be broken. That is exactly what has happened in the stock market this week. Though the market has fallen drastically today, it has got bought in. Every fall has got bought in and it has been reversed, and again they have kept it in the within their level. I have attached the screenshot of Nifty future high low and what is the close price. You can have a look into it. Post 4 days, why did I give the market view yesterday? How did I find there is going to be a huge volatility today? Yesterday, when I checked at the data points, I found today there will be a huge volatility in the market. And if you see what happened, 300 points fall, 250 points recovery, V-shaped share market today, and the market didn't move anywhere. Market was stagnant, but all drama happened around that. So if you want to make money in share market, especially in trading, in options or in futures, the only way you can make money is having a good technical analysis, and you should know statistics and what numbers talks to you. If you understand that, only then you can make money in the futures and options market. Hope this video is so informative to each and every one of you. If the video is very informative, do share it to your friends and family. Let them also get benefited. If you like the video, do hit on the like button. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel so you will get all the updates with respect to defense, technology, share market and global news. There are 2 interesting videos which is going to come up tomorrow. Wait for those videos as well. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.